Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Paint 3D and creating a new canvas. Make sure your file type and canvas dimensions are set before adding elements. Once done, import an image or choose a 3D template and position it roughly where you want it to sit. Use the ruler, grid, and snap to align objects quickly, and switch to Canvas View to lock aspect ratio. This starting setup saves rework later and makes the rest of the steps much faster and more precise. Now focus on building the scene. Insert 3D shapes or choose models from the 3D library, then drag, rotate, and scale using the on-canvas controls so they match perspective. You'll apply stickers and textures for realism and use brushes for finer surface details. Vary opacity and blend modes if needed. When isolating parts, use Magic Select, then group objects to move them as one. Make sure to check layer order and adjust shadow intensity to improve depth and readability. Complete the project by saving as a 3MF to preserve 3D data, then export a PNG, JPEG, or 3D file for printing or sharing. Make sure export settings match intended resolution. Once saved, use crop and resize to tidy edges and lock the canvas to prevent accidental changes. If you need to print, export a compatible 3D format. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Update graphics drivers and restart Paint 3D, and make sure OneDrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.